from this particular problem, from question number 39, we will see some new patterns, new varieties of problems we will discuss from right now. From 2015 till 2017, that means in the year 2015, 2016 and 2017, all these 3 years, the questions came from this particular pattern. I will teach you multiple methods. You can decide upon which method is comfortable for you. Now listen to this carefully, sir. Your question is, if p square minus 23p plus 43 equal to 0, then p minus 2 plus 1 divided by p minus 2 is how much? Now I will teach you multiple methods. I will teach you method 1. I will also teach you method 2. Whichever the method you feel that it is comfortable for you, you can pick up that particular method. Now see here, sir. Question says p minus 2 plus 1 divided by p minus 2 we need to find. So what I will do is, this particular p minus 2, whatever is given in the question or asked in the question, I will call it as some variable, for example x, right? I will call it as x. So if I call that as x, then this entire then part, whatever they are asking you in the question, that becomes x plus 1 by x is equal to question mark, right? X plus 1 by x is equal to question mark. Now if I say p minus 2 as x, then from this I can also say that p is equal to x plus 2, right? P is equal to x plus 2. Now if I further simplify, further in this particular quadratic equation, this quadratic equation becomes p value is x plus 2, p square value is x plus 2 whole square. I will not write it everything in detail. I will just expand as it is. X plus 2 whole square is x square plus 4 plus 4x, right? Plus 4x minus 23 into x plus 2. That means it is minus 23x minus 46 plus 43 equal to 0. I will write it as it is, right? I will write that term as it is. Now if I further simplify, this becomes x square plus x square plus 4x minus 23x is minus 19x, and similarly 4 plus 43 is 47. 47 minus 46 is, it is plus 1 equal to 0. Now can I say that if this particular quadratic equation is given, if the quadratic equation is x square minus 19x plus 1 equal to 0, then we already know from our previous problem that we can easily find the value of x plus 1 by x. X plus 1 by x. First of all, why will plus sign come in between? Because the constant is having plus sign, right? Constant is having plus sign, and right hand side, this minus 19, whatever is present here in the middle term, shift it to the right hand side, it becomes plus 19. So x plus 1 by x is equal to 19, and this is what they are asking you in the question also. That means the answer for this question is how much? Answer for this question is 19. Now this is one of the way of solving it. You can implement this method. This is also a very good method, very faster method also. You can implement this method. There is no harm in solving by using method 1 in this problem. But having said that, I will also teach you method 2, and finally it is up to you people. It is completely up to the individual to decide upon which method is comfortable for you, right? Now see here, sir. First of all, what is the equation that is given? Equation that is given is p square minus 23p plus 43 equal to 0. Let me write it. P square minus 23p plus 43 equal to 0. This is the given part. What is the asked part in the question? P minus 2 plus 1 by p minus 2 is equal to how much? P minus 2 plus 1 divided by p minus 2. This is equal to how much? This is what they are asking. Now observe carefully, sir. One thing which you should immediately realize from this given data and the asked data is, the asked data has something called as p minus 2. That means this particular equation, I should somehow express this particular equation in terms of p minus 2. Why should I express it in terms of p minus 2? Because p minus 2 is something which I need to find out according to the question. That means, can I say that I can express this as p square minus 2p minus 21p, like that I will write it. Why did I write it as 2p minus 21p? Because if I take p common factor in the first two terms, it becomes p into p minus 2. I am very much interested in getting this term called as p minus 2. Yes, I am getting it here. Similarly, remaining part minus 21p, I will write it. And from this remaining part, again I should get p minus 2 common factor. That means, can I say that instead of writing directly as plus 43, I will write it as 42, because from these two terms, if I take out minus 21 common factor, I will again be left with p minus 2 inside the bracket. But I have 43 in the given equation. I have written 42 as of now. That extra 1 I will just add it and I will equate it to 0. I hope you are understanding, sir. Right? I hope you are understanding the logic. That means my question says I should have this term called as p minus 2. I will try whatever it is required in my given equation to make it in the form of p minus 2. Simple. Now, can I say that this p minus 2 is there here. Here also p minus 2 is there. I can take that p minus 2 common factor, right? I can take that p minus 2 common factor, or in other simple language, divide both sides by p minus 2, right? Divide both numerators, or not numerator, divide both left hand side and right hand side by p minus 2. If I divide both sides by p minus 2, observe carefully, p into p minus 2 divided by p minus 2, I will be left with only p. Minus 21 into p minus 2 divided by p minus 2, I will be left with minus 21, plus 1 divided by p minus 2, I will write it as it is. This is equal to 0 by p minus 2, that is nothing but 0. Now, if you observe carefully here, in the question what they are asking you is, they are asking you 1 divided by p minus 2 term should be there. Yes, here also I have 1 divided by p minus 2. I am very happy that the same term is also present in my question. But another term which should be present in the question is p minus 2. They also want this particular p minus 2 to also be present in the equation. But can I say that I do not have p minus 2 here, but I have p minus 21? Because I do not have p minus 2, I will subtract by 2 here. Similarly, if I subtract by 2 on the left hand side, I should also subtract by 2 on the right hand side also. I hope you are understanding. That means this p minus 2 I require according to the question. 1 divided by p minus 2 also I required according to the question. This minus 21 I will shift it to the right hand side. It becomes plus 21. 21 minus 2. Answer for this question will be 19. Either apply method 1 or apply method 2. You will finally end up with the same answer called as 19. And that is what the answer is for question number 29. I hope the idea is very clear for every student who is listening to this particular video.
You can learn any subject, anywhere, any place, and on the go. Come, let us go the other way in learning. Download our revolutionary app for free. AMC.